Okay, I did the scenario. That was, I believe it was the first one. You get a call from your 12-year-old son's school 2 hours before school is out. You are told that your son is not in school, although he was in his earlier classes. You know he isn't at home, so you attempt to go looking for him. At the end of the school day, you head back to the school just in time to find him arriving back at the school as well. It turns out that he and a friend left school, walked to his bank to withdraw money, walked to a sporting goods store, purchased two airsoft pistols, which are illegal to purchase unless you're 18 years old, went to the park and shot them, and then went back to school in time to catch the bus. Okay, so here's my script. You ditch school in order to break the law and purchase airsoft pistols. You are underage to purchase airsoft pistols. When I think you are at school, I need to know that you are safely there. I was terribly worried when I had to go looking for you. You put yourself in an unsafe position without any adult supervision. Besides that, you weren't in class to get the instruction that you'll need to keep your grades up. You could have asked me for the airsoft guns. I could have taken you boys to the park on a Saturday to play with them. Now, because of this, you will be taking the airsoft guns back and replacing the money. You will also be grounded for the next 2 weeks after school and on weekends. You'll be making up the assignments you missed in class, and you can use the time to reflect on the impact of your actions. From now on, I expect you to be where you're supposed to be. I also expect you to obey the law.